In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your hosting or domain to Shopify. First, you want to load up Shopify, then click on Settings in the bottom left corner. Now from here, we will navigate to the Domains section, and you want to choose Connect Existing. From here, we will go into Hostinger, click on Domains, and find the domain which you want to use. I'm just going to copy my domain and paste it in Shopify. Once you have it pasted, click on Next, and while this loads, we can go and click on Manage here on our hosting or domain. Next, we will go into DNS/name servers. Okay, so here it should automatically detect what needs to be changed. So right here, you can click on Login. It might work, it might not, I don't know, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. But anyway, once you have logged in, then we will go back into the DNS/name servers, and we will need to add new DNS records. So we will need to add a CAA @ record. The value is going to be that, and we can copy ssl.com. So it's going to be CAA @ the value is going to be 0, the tag is going to be issued, and this is going to be the domain, and you want to click on Add. Once you have this added, then we will need to update existing records, or you can just add those again. So a record, you want to find if you have an A record. Okay, we will click on Edit. Now you want to do it A at, and it's gonna point to this, so we will copy this and paste it. The TLL doesn't tell us anything about it, so we will update it. Let's make it 60, update. And the CNAME, www, you will copy this. So we're just gonna search for a CNAME, okay, edit, and CNAME www test project, we wanna change it to our new store. We will paste it, update, and once you have done this, then the last thing that we need to do is click on I updated my settings. So here we're just gonna give it some time, and it should detect it that we have updated this information. I'm just gonna pause and come back. Okay, so it just verified, sorry about that. I just got possessed for a second. So it just got verified, and DNS records are pointing to Shopify. Domain is live in all regions, and it is gonna provision the TLS certificate for secure connections here. So that's how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.